is happening to my computer? Oh! I have a freaking echo. I like this! What the heck is that? I may be somewhat mentally insane. But I have an echo! It sounds really weird when I say echo. Echo, echo, echo. Like, I say it. Like, I just say echo. And when I say it, I hear the word, or, well, not word, but I just hear co after I say echo. It is awesome! Do you want a belly rub with that? Okay. That took a minute because I can only record like 3 minutes of video at a time. So I'm going to have to add that on in Movie Maker. But either way, alright, this is my simple design for a shotgun, I guess. I mean, it's probably easier in real life to make a shotgun than in this. But it's pretty much just a little timed slow down the TNT that is that shot, and then the charge